All right, we're in guest house 3, room 3103, and it's a standard room at Loews Sapphire Falls Resort. You come on in here, there's some good space, just kind of here, leave luggage and mirror. Open it up in here in the closet. Oh, even better place to put your luggage. There's a safe there on the wall. Hair dryer, iron, extra pillow. And then if we go here, you got your vanity, towel basket, your mirrors, look all attractive. This is a toilet. I asked at the front desk, some rooms have a bathtub. They asked me if I was fine with just a shower, and I said yes. So it's a really nice shower. But you can request a bathtub is what I'm saying. You got your 2 queen beds here. The decor is lovely in my opinion. It's very relaxing. There you got your TV, lamps, everything, all good to go. Maybe not the greatest view, but it's all right. The thing I love about this room, though, it's really close to the water taxi and the restaurant as well. So anyway, hope you found this little room tour useful. Blessings on your universal vacation.